Hello everybody, Irina is here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a floral arrangement in the paper box. So I was at the gift shop and I picked up this beautiful box. I'm pretty sure they sell them in places like Walmart or dollar store as well. See, it has pretty signage on it. So I thought it would be a cute container to make a floral arrangement in. Again, this is paper, so you need to line it up with a plastic. And then just pick a regular plastic bag. And I'm not going to cut the bag right away. What I'm going to do instead, I'm just going to place it inside of the container. And then I'm just going to fill it up with fresh floral foam. And you need to pre-soak a floral foam. I just put it into a bucket with water, and I had it in it for about an hour. It's enough. If you want to have it overnight, that will be great also. So just put your pre-soaked floral foam into the box and cut it on the top. Just gonna try to make it even, leveled with your box. And make sure that when you buy floral foam, make sure it is for fresh flowers, because at designer stores they sell floral foam, but it could be for plastic flowers or silk flowers. It's not good for fresh flowers, so make sure it says on it that it's a fresh floral foam. If you cannot find it at the designer store, just try a florist. They will sell it to you. If you just come nicely and ask them for a block or two, they will sell it. It'll be more expensive, I'm pretty sure, but you can still have it. Okay, so as easy as it looks, I filled it up with a fresh floral foam already pre-soaked in the water, and now I'm just gonna use flowers to fill it up. And I decided to go ahead and use only red roses today because I want to see the look. But you don't have to use roses. You can use any of the flowers you want to use. It's not gonna matter. So I got the flower and I put it in the box at the angle. See, so that it will cover a little bit the box, just a little bit, so nobody's gonna see any gaps if you get any. And we're gonna start going one by one. Make sure that the heads are touching out here. And the first layer goes under the angle into the floral foam. And I'm gonna try to work as fast as I can for you. It's faster for me if I put all the flowers right next to me, because I keep them in the water until the last minute. Because you want to cut the flowers at the very last minute. You want them to keep drinking and drinking. And by the way, in the floral foam, they're gonna drink as well as they drink in the vase. So, and that's a good thing about having flowers in the floral foam. Flowers will last as long, and if you decide that you need to add the water in it or two, just put a little bit of water just in the middle of it, and the flowers will be looking as fresh and beautiful as if you made them in a glass vase. Alright, so now I'm just gonna keep quiet and keep making arrangement, and you just watch me. Okay, now when you start getting closer to the center, you might wanna put the stem at a little bit higher angle. Not this way, the way I did it when I just started, but maybe 45 degrees or so. And just keep working from around the edges all the way to the middle. Make sure that you leave no spots, unless you want to fill it up with something else. That'll be fine. Otherwise, you want to leave no spots, no space, no gaps. Just As long as the flowers look comfortable, put them close together, as close as possible. And surprisingly, even though the box is pretty big, it didn't take me that many flowers at all. Interesting. I think I'll put one more. Okay, and just out of curiosity, let's see how many roses I used here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Basically 2,000 roses and you can make this beautiful arrangement. Alright, so now what we need to do, we need to cut the plastic, of course. So just use the scissors and start cutting at the very edge, as close as you can to the edge. See how simple it is? Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous already. Okay, so after you cut it, try to hide the floral foam just by using your fingers and just kind of bend it, bend it, bend it, and hide it under the flowers. See? See? It took me 2 seconds and you cannot see anything anymore already. Now look how beautiful the arrangement looks like. And now, by the way, there is a lid for it, so if you want to put the lid on it and kind of tie it with ribbon and make a bow here, you can do that. Or you can tie it around here and put the bow on the side. Why don't I go ahead and do that? As a matter of fact, give me a second and I'm gonna tie a lid to it as well. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and get this red ribbon to match with the color of the flowers. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get about maybe a yard or two of the ribbon, and we're gonna tie the lid of the box first. So let's do this way. Twist it, flip it over, tie it, and then bend it like this, just kind of secure it better. And then this end goes to the other side, and just kind of tie it again. Perfect. So we got our box secured, and now I'll put it to the side for you, because you can just put it on the top and tie a bow here. You got that, but this is how it's gonna look if you put it to the side, and just tie your pretty bow on the side. And this way, whoever you give your gift to can see right away how gorgeous all the roses look in the box. Imagine make it by yourself and give it to them for Valentine's Day or their birthday or anniversary. It's always nice when you can tell. I made it myself for you. Oh, I just got an idea. What if you tie an engagement ring to it or something? Here or there. Or maybe put it inside and let them search for it. You know what? If you want to add some greenery, you can go ahead and cut a few leaves of greenery as well and put it into the box, just any place you decide to enhance it with. You can have it right here at the bottom, like this, to make it look even more natural, or have some on the top as well. Use your imagination. Use some different flowers. Peonies are gonna look great in it. Gerber daisies are gonna look great in it, I'm sure. Use some flowers with big heads. Lilies are gonna look gorgeous in it, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna try to do it with some other flowers next time for you. Well, voila, you got it. So, this is how you make a floral arrangement in the paper box. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!